actually get to know where you are. So I'm going to remove this, and I want to do what I was checking right in your presence. So I first and foremost, I went to the Google Earth, and this is the Google Earth, and I typed Obafemi Awolowo University, and it took me here to Osun State. So, and this is Obafemi Awolowo University. Now, when I got here, I needed to know which local government is above me Awolowo University located, because I have not know I don't know the place. I use Ife Central here because I wanted to work on a project here before. So what I just ignore the Ife Central you're seeing, and I just came here to know where is above me Awolowo University located. So I saw it's located in Osun State. But because I don't have the knowledge of the place, I don't know the local government is located. So what I did was that I went to file, I went to import, and then I selected Nigerian local government because I am interested in the local government it is located. Then I open, and that brings me here. Do you want to apply style template to these features? I will say yes. Then I'm going to create a new template, and you can see the Nigerian local government here, the rest of them. So I'm going to click OK, and that's going to come up here, and I want to replace it with Nigerian local government. Let me put it SS as different. Then once it comes in here, it's going to load all the Nigerian local government for me on the Google Earth. You see here, so I need to come here and click here, and you can see it. Yeah. You see?
Sorry, sir. It's not you at this
Yes,
side.
that's what I'm trying. That's what I'm
Like
showing you,
you,
because I didn't want you to like
you added
ask me
the
how did I get here,
local
because I wanted us
government,
to proceed, but
Nigeria
I
local
wanted to show
government
you
to Google Earth.
how I imported Nigeria local government down to Google Earth, as you see here. So this is the Nigerian local government. Then in this case, I can still see where above me Owolowo University, which I search, is pointing to. Now, now it is in the white. So probably I can click on it, and I will see that it is located in Ife North. This is the local government is located. So I've seen where it is located. That's the information I needed, which I can also go to the property here and say style, and I can say share style. And once I share style, I will be able to see the local government, how it is located. And in the sharing style, you can see here, I made it here, so it will be showing me by different pattern, as you can see here. So it will be showing me this pattern of colors. So but that's not, by the way, that's not my interest of coming here. My interest of coming here is that I want to know which local government is Obafemi Awolowo University, Awolowo University located. So what I need to do is to come here, and I click Ife North. I see that it's located in Ife North. Do you understand what I'm saying? Are you still here? Okay. So I see now that it's located in Ife. Okay, so I came up here and I typed AOU Nigeria. So it took me here. So I wanted to know where which local government AOU is located. I see here, this is above me University. So I needed to know where it is located. So what I did was that I wanted to bring in the Nigerian shapefile here. So I went to file, and I went to import, and when it opened up here, I went to the location where I have the shapefile of Nigerian local government, which I changed the type format to S3 shapefile here, and it shows me the Nigerian local government. Then I click open, and it's going to ask me this question: do you want to apply apply template to the feature you instigated. Then I say yes, and I'm going to create a new template for it. So this comes in here. It's asking me to use a single color, so I can set this by default or leave it like this. So if I want to set the name, I'm going to set the name because the name of the local government here is in name 2. So I can say save it, set the name here as name 2, so which is this column. Then when I click OK, it is going to ask me where it is going to save the template. So I can just put something here because I already have this here already. So and I click save. So it's going to come out, and you can see here in the temporal places it have added the Nigerian local government shapefile for me. I will just turn it on, and that's going to show me the shapefiles of Nigeria like this. Now, because I wanted it to show me, you can see here that in Abafemi Owolowo University, which I clicked here, you can see that it is now showing me up like this. So what I could do is I can go to the properties here and then go to the style view, and I will say share style. And when I say share style, then you can see in here it have actually added different colors for me. So what my interest is that I want to be sure which of the local government is above me or where university located, and you can see the local government how it goes like this. So I can click on it like this, and I will see that it's Ife not. So my interest is coming to get Ife not here. So I am done here. So that's what I just need here. So to make things easy for me, that's why I'm moving up like this. So I will have to go to QGIS. I just loaded it in QGIS here, which I can still do with ArcGIS, but I made it in QGIS because I wanted it to be faster for me. So now here